Garett with RE/MAX and McCune real estate team, and today we are in central Stittsville taking a look at a custom designed and beautifully well maintained 3+1 bedroom, 3 full bathroom bungalow on an oversized lot. Pride of ownership is evident throughout this home, and there are some really cool unique features that might just make this home the perfect one for you to call home. Welcome to 7 Forest Creek Drive. Walking through the entrance, you are greeted with a spacious foyer and 9-foot ceilings throughout the main level. This home was designed in mind for wheelchair accessibility. Doors and hallways have all been widened, giving the home an even more open concept feel. The primary bedroom faces the backyard, is spacious with a huge walk-in closet and 4-piece ensuite bathroom, including soaker tub. The fully finished lower level with custom designed bar also features great sized windows, a full bathroom, additional bedroom, workshop area, and lots of storage space. The large and private backyard is southern facing, allowing plenty of natural sunlight throughout the home and an optimal area for all your gardening needs. Thank you for taking the tour. This is really a great opportunity to live in a desirable area of the city on a street where homes seldom come up for sale. You're close to parks, schools, walking distance to the Trans-Canada Trail, easy commute to shopping, restaurants, groceries, and just so much more. Contact our team today to book a showing.